die Verbrennung der Amerikaner.
What is up, my sexy mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and sharing my first impressions of John Varvatos XX, a relatively new fragrance for men. Before I get into that though, I will be mentioning my fragrance of the day, and also if you haven't followed the Aussie Marcel Instagram yet, it's the official Aussie Marcel Instagram. Just go ahead and follow at Aussie Marcel on Instagram, and also if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, what the bloody hell are you doing? So my fragrance of the day, Bentley for Men Intense. This is just one of those scents that's exclusively worn by hot guys in the know, so if you're a hot guy in the know, you're probably already wearing this. Look, I'm just bullshitting with you. It's a fantastic smelling fragrance. It's very attractive. It's warm, it's boozy, it's long lasting. I feel like this is one of those fragrances that people will automatically dismiss just because it's being sold by a car brand. Guys, go out, try new fragrances. Don't just stick with your Gucci's and your bloody Dior's. There is an entire world of fantastic smelling fragrances out there that are being sold by other brands than the ones you're familiar with. So go out there and try amazing scents like this. They're not that expensive. Go out and just try them. Yeah, an icon. So XX by John Varvatos. I got this one for $40 as well. Like always, presentation for John Varvatos fragrances is always top notch. They look so classy. Regal with the crown, militaristic with the medallion. And as for the design of the bottle, looks awesome. Like a grey, silvery, artisan bottle basically, with the branding XX on the cap. I can't wait to smell this one. I got high hopes. Atomizer is solid. Nothing exceptional, but solid. Man, this is what you want a fresh scent to smell like. It's got a bit of spice, it's got a bit of a kick. It's sort of like, imagine Dior Sauvage, but really toned down, less offensive in your face. You know, Dior Sauvage is very obnoxious in how it presents itself to you. Artisan XX, or XX Artisan if you prefer, has this sort of aromatic Dior Sauvage quality to it. It smells top notch, it smells classy, sophisticated, fresh enough to be worn in summer, but with enough depth that you could pull this off in the colder months as well. Yeah, I get like this vetiver spice, but it's not entirely green, it's like slightly dried. It's got a touch of this earthy, smoky feel to it. You got this citrus note up top, and it's just sitting there. It's kind of resplendent, it's a little bright, but it's also a little bitter as well. There's some herbal facets here. This smells pretty fantastic. This is sort of like a benchmark for what a fresh scent should smell like. If you want to smell different from everybody else during the hot months, but also smell sexy as fuck, definitely check this one out. Man, this is going to be a game changer, and if I had my druthers, if I had my way when it comes to the fragrance industry, I would be pointing to a fragrance like this and going, this is something that should be copied come summertime. This is the sort of DNA that's really going to stand out and make people take notice of the fragrance that you're wearing. Now, I paid $40 for this one. That isn't the typical price, but this smells so good as far as fresh summer scents goes. It's got that earthiness that really helps it stand apart from other fresh scents. I'd be paying close to $100 for this one, honestly. As somebody that used to despise fresh scents, this is the sort of fresh scent that may appeal to you if you are of a similar mindset, or were of a similar mindset. This is going to be versatile, it's sexy, this is everything a freshie should be. Anyways, if you've ever worn Artisan XX before, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.